Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set custom ringtone on iOS 26. So at first open settings, press on general, software update, make sure to update your iOS 26. Recently iOS 26 update their new features, no need to use any third-party apps. So at first select the audio that you wanna set ringtone. So like set this audio.
Hello, how to extract audio from video.
So I'm just used this audio to set custom ringtone. Click on to share option, 3 dot to more, then you get new option, use as ringtone. So just press on, then successfully add your ringtone section. This audio automatically set. Go back, and now I'm checking. So when I'm receive the call,
Hello, how to extract audio from video.
so set this ringtone. So that's it.